الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله والله أكبر الله أكبر ولله الحمد الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر.
We saw everyone here and we thought that's the place to go. And we thought there was a private celebration there. Yeah. So it's kind of cute. Yeah.
I love beef rendang.
We really enjoyed the Indonesian food.
Is that